After 8 weeks, and the bamboos that I've been propagating from the rhizome cuttings have been doing amazingly well. The first two videos, the 2 weeks and the 4 weeks videos, have given an idea about how I grow them from the propagating medium. After the fourth week, I transplanted them into holding pots. And in fact, if you watch the first and the second video, you would have a good idea about how I started them off in the propagating medium and then transplanting them into the holding pots. And the soil types that I've used are all in the first and the second videos. So after the fourth week, I transplanted the bamboo from the propagating medium into the holding pots. This bamboo now has been in the holding pot for 2 weeks. After 8 weeks, the bamboo has grown to around 60.7 centimeters in height. So that's a combined period of 8 weeks. 4 weeks in the propagating medium and then 4 weeks in the holding pots. Now I find this quite convenient because once you transplant the bamboos from the propagating medium into the holding pots, they tend to shoot up quickly, very quickly. So from this I find that bamboo Phyllostachys Aureosulcata is growing at the rate of 1.43 centimeters per day.